Ko matawhaura te maunga, ko roto e te ki te ihinga te roto. Ko Ngāti te rangi unua te hapu. Ko Ngāti piki ao te iwi. The kite kai is my most prized weaving that I love doing. I just love the kite kai and I love the raudo. And being appreciative of the teachings that those two pieces had given me and associate that with my upbringing. The exposure to both the customary and new innovations was a key to the delivery of the art program that I was one of the tutors at Wairiki Community College. It actually gave me the drive and I guess the license to explore. The whāriki is just such a beautiful, functional piece that has a lot of taki waitara imbued in the whāriki, irrespective of whether there's your contrasting elements in terms of colour or whether it's undyed, but it still has the same message. And also how the whāriki was the key concept behind ihinga tangata rua marae at Toi Oho mai. And so the woven panels in the house working alongside of Lionel Grant was to look at the significance that the mats had inside the kouta. And so it was about putting the mats back on the wall where they need to be in terms of the installation and the warmth of our people. The aspirations that I see is for them to strive in what they believe, what individuals believe, and whatever they create, no one can tell them that it's wrong because it's come through their channels.